Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions from the West Bengal Civil Service examination. So আমরা এই ভিডিওতে যে কোশ্চেনগুলো ডিসকাস করব again these are from the general studies papers আর এগুলো সব কোশ্চেনগুলো previous year question থেকে তোলা. So I suggest you guys to kindly keep a note of all this question that we're discussing, either আপনাদের যেরকম medium preferable হয়, either or digital notes or hard copy notes, whichever is convenient. Please keep a note of the same, কেন কি যখন আপনি future further down the line এই সেম জিনিসগুলো নিয়ে আবার যখন রিভাইজ করবেন বা এই সেম টপিকস নিয়ে যখন পড়বেন এই জিনিসগুলো অনেক ইজি আর কনভিনিয়েন্ট হয়ে যাবে আপনাদের জন্য. So having said that, আমরা এখানে ডিসকাস করব. আমরা স্টার্ট করব টোটাল 4টা কোশ্চেন ডিসকাস করব এই পার্টিকুলার ভিডিওতে. We'll start off with 183 and then we'll continue till 186. Okay, তো আমরা দেখে নিচ্ছি কোশ্চেনস গুলো. For internal financing of 5-year plans, the government depends on. So basically 5-year plan এর internal financing এর জন্য government কিসের উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে এটা জিজ্ঞেস করা হচ্ছে. So option 1 taxation only, option 2 public borrowing and deficit financing, option 3 taxation and public borrowing, and option 4 taxation, public borrowing and deficit financing. So এখানে আমাদের রাইট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে কি option 4 taxation, public borrowing and deficit financing. For internal financing, the government remains dependent upon taxation, public borrowing and deficit financing. Financial planning involves not only the mobilization of resources to match the targeted magnitude of physical investment, but also allocation of total available savings among major investing sectors according to their respective requirements. Okay, so next step চলে যাচ্ছি. In the context of 5-year plans, a shift in the pattern of industrialization with lower emphasis on heavy industries and more on infrastructure began in. So basically 5-year plan basically shift হয়ে গেছে from industrialization with lower emphasis of কম emphasis on heavy industry আর বেশি emphasis on infrastructure. এটা কোন 5th year plan basically শুরু হয়েছে. So option 1 10th plan, option 2 8th plan, option 3 6th plan and option 4 4th plan. So এখানে আমাদের রাইট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে গিয়ে 8th plan. Option 2. 8th plan lays stress on improving the productivity of industries by upgrading technology. The thrust area was now to give impetus to small industries and to create world-class infrastructure. Modernization of the industry was the highlight of the 8th plan. Under this plan, the gradual opening of the Indian economy was undertaken to correct the burgeoning deficit and foreign debt. Okay, so next up we chole abo 185. Which of the following indicate economic growth through 5-year plans? So এই পয়েন্টস গুলোর মধ্যে কোনটা ইকোনমিক গ্রোথ 5-year প্ল্যানে ইন্ডিকেট করছে? সো আমাদের অপশনস আছে 1 রাইজ ইন ন্যাশনাল ইনকাম পার ক্যাপিটা ইনকাম, okay, option 2 development of railway and roads, option 3 development of education and health services, or option 4 development of industrial towns and industrial states. So the right answer হবে in this figures option 4 development of industrial town and industrial states. তো আমরা একবার দেখে নিব রিজন গুলো. The development of industrial town and industrial states are marked feature of the Indian 5-year economic planning program. From 1947 to 2017, Indian economy was premised on such concepts of planning. This was carried through the 5-year plan developed, executed and monitored by the Planning Commission in 1951 to 2014 and Niti Aayog 2014 to 17. Okay, এখন আমরা fourth question চলে যাচ্ছি 186. Globalization of Indian economy means. So the term যেটা দেওয়া আছে globalization of Indian economy, এটার মানে কি? So এটা জিজ্ঞেস করা হচ্ছে 1 stepping up external borrowing, okay, option 2 establishing Indian shopping malls in abroad, 3 is giving programs of import substitution, or 4 having minimum possible restrictions on economic relations with other countries. Okay, so এখানে the right answer হবে having minimum possible restrictions on economic relations with other country. The economic globalization in India refers to economic liberalization initiated in 1991. So, of the country's economic policy with the goal of making economy more market and service oriented and expanding the roles of private and foreign investments. Okay, so with that said, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully, আপনারা সবই important points যেগুলো ডিসকাস করা আছে এগুলো নোট করে দিয়েছেন হবে. Okay, so with that said, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.